Welcome back. My name is Janina, and today I'm gonna be making slime. I bought this new slime new glue at Target, and it cost $13 or 14. So yeah, and it's Elmer's, and I really like it, and I just think it's good and great. I also bought it's heavy. I also bought these glitter pack. This glitter. So, like, this one is
Can I help you?
Black glitter. This one, sure. Okay, say hi to my sister, being the camera.
Hi.
This one is green glitter. They're right here. This one, like, it's like a gold shaving type, like a gold glitter.
Can I show them this one?
Yeah.
And this one's like a pink glitter, kind of like an orange pinkish, very shimmery.
And I bought this in containers just to put in the slime. So yeah, I'm just gonna rip it up. And
did you hear him going like? Oh, sorry.
And
Yeah, I can hear him.
I'm only gonna use one so far, so we're gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this one just to make the slime. These, I'm just gonna pour on the caps. Put on the caps on the others. And these are really hard. Yes. See, it's like these. And I am so excited to be making slime because I like slime. I don't know why this one's not closing. There we go. I'll help you. Here, let me scoot so you can be in the video too.
I hate this one.
Can you help? Let me see. Okay, sorry that took a while. We just made a stack of containers, and the glue is behind there, which is it shouldn't. I'll fix that. Sorry.
I'm horrible.
Okay. Grab it. Okay, so I'm gonna put the glue right here. So this is the glue right now. It's like, you guys. Okay, I know you guys cannot see that. Okay, there it is. This is my sister. And yeah, I'm gonna pause it just for a little bit because I need to get the detergent. So I need to get the detergent, and yeah, I'm gonna pause it for a minute. Alright guys, so we got the detergent. So it's blue, of course, because it's Tide. Because that's what we're going to make the slime with. So we got our glitters. Now let's do any, mini, money, mo to see which glitter we should do. Okay, so we're going to do this black one right here. This cool black one. Which one do you want to do? Which one do you want to do out of these four? What do you think?
I'm thinking like one of these two.
What do you think? The pink one or this one? Oh my god, it's leaking out glitter. Okay, it's just, see, my sister says this one, so we're gonna use that one. Alright, so okay, so we're gonna grab a container, which is, we're both gonna share because I don't want to be making slimes. Alright, so we only need a little bit of glue. We don't need that much. We don't need to pour too much because we're not making a big slime. We might make a big slime, maybe. Whoa. That should be good. We don't want to make too much. Okay. I'm joking. Okay, so I only poured a little bit.
Got a
'Cause
glue here.
yes,
Just don't want to turn it and dump it.
we forgot our mixing stuff.
Mixing tools. Let me get a pencil or something.
Yeah, you get them.
I'll get a pencil.
Okay, while she's getting them, I'm just gonna wait for her just to get it. And yeah, so this is how it looks like, guys. I got a glitter. I'm gonna be focused on here for right now. So yeah, just this a little bit more. We're gonna be focusing on this. So got our glitter.
Ouch. Okay.
And
Two mixing tools here.
we're using pencils. We're only gonna use I'm gonna use the tip of that. So should we add a glitter first?
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. I hope we had our own food color, remember?
I know. I didn't want to get it. So we're only gonna pour a little bit of glitter because we don't want too much glitter. I think that's good. Okay, we're not gonna mix it yet because we gotta add the detergent. This is how it looks like, guys. I can't really pour too much because. Okay, this is our detergent. So we're only gonna pour a little bit. Just a little bit, just in case it didn't come out. Okay, so now let's mix. Whoa, it's already turning into slime, guys.
Barely.
Just a little bit more. So that's good. Why is it like that? Okay, so okay, I can feel it. It's kind of working. Why is it not working? What the heck? I think it's the detergent. I think it's different. Hold up. Just
I touch it.
sure. Just
Let's activate the rest. Okay. Yeah.
it's sticky.
You need to meet it.
It's sticky. I need help. It's sticky. It's sticky. Give me the thing. Okay, guys. So I think it's a little too sticky to be slime. So we're just gonna. Yeah, slime can be really messy. I can't. Okay, let me put my hand like this for right now. It's sticky, guys. It's sticky. I'm just gonna dip my hand. God. Okay, that was a no. Uh-oh. And this is my new pants. Oh no. Let's try it again. Pour a little bit. Gosh, guys. This slime is sticky. Like, really sticky. So this slime needs to be more, like, unsticky. This is really sticky, guys. I don't know why. Right?
Mhm.
So we need to. Okay, I'm gonna make sure. It's really sticky.
See it a little bit.
Guys, look at my hands.
I don't know what's wrong with it, though. It should be working. It's all sticking together, though. It's just a little bit on the wet and sticky side.
Yeah. We don't want to add too much detergent because it will be really hard. We don't want that to happen.
You do want that to happen. I was kidding. be a slime video, not a blob video. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and I opened it.
What should we do with that stain on the floor?
It's on my hands.
Grab something.
I don't know.
Wait, I got baby wipes. I don't know if that will work.
Can you baby wipes take off this off our hand? Nothing. Nothing.
What?
Nothing.
Sorry guys, that's our sister. That's our older sister, and
Yeah, that's our elder
we
sister.
made a big mess on the floor, and we're probably gonna be in trouble by like our mom because we made a big
The
mess.
baby wipes are helping us.
Yeah, they're not really, but it's okay.
They're smearing it more though.
It's okay.
As long as I can be able to take off my jacket.
Okay, I think that's okay. So this is our sticky slime.
It's not helping. It's just getting a little bubbly. It's not gonna help. I'm gonna get another one.
No more.
Just one more, because it's not working.
Okay, so I think we need to add more detergent because this is not slime. Slime is not supposed to be sticky. It's supposed to be
Slime.
like a good slime, but not too hard. So, but this is not working out for us.
So this is a flop video right now.
Yeah, but just for right now, we could probably make it work. I'm gonna pause it for right now to see. Alright guys, I have been trying it. It worked a little bit. This is how it looks like, guys, but it's still a little bit sticky, but it's not that bad. I'm just gonna add some more glitter just to get it some more texture, because I don't know if you guys can see the glitter. I want you guys to see it just a little bit. We don't want to add too much glitter, because if you add too much glitter, you'll make the slime hard, and you don't want that to happen, guys. So that's why I'm adding a little bit more, just to make it just more better. I don't think the slime is that bad though, but it's still kinda yeah and kinda nah. So it just needs to be used to. So I'm just gonna add just a little bit more. Just a little bit, not too much. There, I think that's good. Because we don't want to make the slime too hard and then too ugly. So this is it right now. I think it turned out okay. I kind of want to make fluffy slime, but I don't know. The first time it wasn't working because it was like too much, like so sticky, guys. Oh my god. Oh, I dropped it. Help me. It's still sticky, guys. The more I add detergent, the more it's gonna be worse, because I think it's the detergent. I'm joking, guys. But the more I add more of this Tide thing or whatever, it's gonna make it way worse. Okay, so I think it turned out okay. It smells good though, guys. In my opinion, it smells really good. Right, so this slime turned out okay-ish, but my hands are really bad, but it's okay. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video, and peace.
Who's this?